Hello everybody, it's Brian, your sales consultant from Steele Hyundai, located at 3625 Kempt Road in Halifax. Today I'll be showing you Hyundai's brand new Santa Cruz. Fun, sporty, and utilitarian adventure vehicle. It is in the ultimate trim, so this vehicle is fully loaded. Just wait. Let's start with the front of the vehicle. It's striking new design with bowl stance. It takes its grille styling from the Tucson, which shares its same frame. It has this beautiful cascading waterfall design with integrated LED lights integrated right into the grille with looks like fog lights down below there. We have these beautiful 20-inch alloy rims. That's just a nice complement with these fenders that go along the Santa Cruz. It has this nice little Santa Cruz logo on the fender. We have contour lines for four-man function that go similar to the sister truck, the Tucson, leading all the way to the C-pillar that leads all the way back to the truck bed. Before we get into the bed, we have this nice bold stamped Santa Cruz logo right on the tailgate. And in addition, we see this nice Santa Cruz emblem on the foot of the step-up board on the bumper. We have LED tail lights, and they've got nice striking design. As we look into the bed, we have this nice little cover, a sliding cover that protects your contents of your truck bed. And as we look into the truck bed, we have a 4-foot length coming right to the back to the end of the tailgate. Extending to the tailgate, the truck bed extends to 6 feet. And if you want to carry sheets of plywood, we are good. From wheel well to wheel well, we are 43 inches, and from top to top, we are 40 inches. That will easily handle any plywood that you're trying to ship. We have 2 cargo containers here, one on the side here and another located here. We have a lot of tie downs, adjustable and non-adjustable, both on the floor of the bed, as well as adjustables on the side, as well as some mounted ones here in the back. As I open up the storage container, this is great. You just need to fill it with ice. It does come with drain plugs, so fill it with ice, your favorite beverages, back it in, and you're ready to tailgate. For lighting, once this is on, we have LEDs on both sides of the bed, as well as the top there. Now let's talk about the performance of the Santa Cruz. It comes equipped with a 2.5 turbo engine producing 281 horsepower with 311 pounds of torque. Fitted with an 8-speed dual clutch transmission that leaves you with a very smooth ride and never hunting for the gears. It comes with 8-track, a very convenient feature for all season driving, whether you're in the summer on a summer road trip or just need that extra traction during the Nova Scotia winters. The fuel economy comes in at 10.6 over 100 kilometers combined. The towing capacity is 5,000 pounds and the payload capacity is 1,700 pounds. Starting in the back of the interior, we have a window that will open for added ventilation, and both of the rear windows do come down. This one's fitted in beautiful leather with red cross stitching. We have back storage compartments for both driver and passenger. And we have venting, as well as 2 illuminated USB ports for the backseat passengers. Now let's check out the interior, the front of the vehicle. As you see, we have a wide, expansive dashboard that's trimmed out nicely in this black and silver strip that just goes right across the dashboard. I love the fact that the vents are integrated and seamlessly into that trim. We have a beautiful 10-inch digital display cluster housing the RPMs as well as the kilometers per hour. And we also have this large digital display screen with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, as well as your, you can see your dual climate controls there. We have dual USB ports as well as a 12 volt. And we have a shift automatic transmission. And you can see that we'll have various drive modes, electronic parking brake, and auto hold. Great for when you're stuck in traffic and you want to just give your foot a rest. You just hit that button. You will be, all you have to do is just take your foot off that brake, and when you're ready to resume, when traffic resumes, just step on the gas pedal and away you go. And we also have three-way heated seats, as well as three-way ventilated seats, as well as a heated steering wheel. Lots of room for the passengers all around, as you can see. And the Ultimate will come fitted with a sunroof. Great for a day like today, where you can bring in added light and ventilation to the cabin. Now, when it comes to safety, this Santa Cruz is loaded with safety features. It's got forward collision assist, lane keep assist, driver attention warning, rear occupant alert, blind spot monitoring, parking collision assist, parking distance warning, and adaptive cruise control, and highway drive assist. Lots loaded in this 2022 Santa Cruz Ultimate. And that's a wrap for the 2022 Santa Cruz in the Ultimate trim. If you have any questions about this vehicle or any other vehicles, please feel free to reach out to me. It's Brian at Steele Hyundai at 226-236-2747. Thank you for watching, and thanks for choosing Steele Hyundai as your preferred Hyundai dealership. Have a great day.